Yes, today I received a new package. This is sent via eBay post system, so it was a different way to get here. I had some contact with the eBay seller and he did a marvelous job to figure it out. So I will open the box of the package. So here's just the box. So here's what I ordered. A new pair of Nike Air Tailwind. In previous email I explained that the Tailwind are the first Nike Airs on the market. So there are some retros now, some very nice shoes. So I will show them. With of course the card, Nike Tailwind, how the soles are set up. December 1978. So great color set, like the waffles previous to this shoe. So I'm very pleased with this shoe in my collection. Also with the well-known tongue. So what can I say? USA. Great shoe to my collection, and I hope to get more Tailwinds in the future. See you next time.